The varieties of native grasses are Indian rice grass, California brome, dwarf sedge, slender hairgrass, blue wild rye, slender wheatgrass, California fescue, California melic, June grass, and purple needlegrass. Purple needlegrass grows in a variety of soil types, such as dry, day soils, and well-drained rich soils. The roots of the grass grows up to 16 feet long, and it holds moisture. Native herbivores uses the leaves and roots as food. This type of grass can be found all over North America, including San Francisco. During the years the livestock had been depleted on native plants, humans and cattle spreaded grasses. The grasses replaced most of the native wildflowers. Fur traders came and hunted for sea otter and for seals.
Early settlers brought new foreign grasses to the San Francisco Bay Area. Livestock decreased in native plants, and humans and cattle spread new foreign grasses. Foreign grasses, in addition to other non-native plants, still dominate much of the Bay Area. Soaproot, tuile, cattail, and elderberry are all native plants to the Bay Area. Bromos deandrus, Bromos herbaceus, and Hordeum marinum are all foreign plants that were brought to the Bay Area by early settlers. These annual grasses replaced most of the native wildflowers and grasses, which included many different grass species. Bromos deandrus is the scientific name for ripgut brome. Bromos deandrus is a cool season annual grass. The landscape has changed over time from native plants to invasive species.
There have been many efforts to restore native plants and grasses in the Bay Area. Many organizations like the Bay Youth for the Environment have been collecting seeds and growing thousands of plants needed for the restoration and revegetation of native grasses in the Candlestick area in San Francisco. The ground is being prepared for thousands of seedlings of native plants and grasses to be overplanted. The Golden Gate National Recreation Area has managed many large grassland restoration projects. The park staff are working to protect and revive our grasslands. Park programs such as the Habitat Restoration Team get volunteers into the park to restore grassland.
Sea otters are dependent on the native grasses in the San Francisco Bay. The native grass sea otters depend on is kelp. Kelp is a large brown seaweed in the oceans and in the San Francisco Bay. Sea otters fasten themselves to kelp so they don't float away while they are eating. After the fur traders killed sea otters for their fur, sea urchins ate the kelp and small fish and crabs starved to death. Russian, Spanish, and American fur traders had an impact on sea otter population. So many people wanted fur, they called it the California fur rush. It started in 1785 and ended in 1911. 150,000 to 300,000 sea otters were killed, and only 1,500 survived. In conclusion, that's how early settlers had an impact in the San Francisco Bay and the grasses in the Bay Area.